Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Rutland and we're at a Tranquil Park site which is Greendale Farm, so come and join us. Greendale is a 12-pitch site. It is hard standing and grass. It's located off the A606 at Rutland, down a short country lane. It has the usual electricity points, and also it has many water standpipes so you can get your fresh drinking water. The chemical waste system at the site is an eco-friendly one, so they require you to use green as opposed to the blue that we all use in our chemical toilets. The grounds are very well maintained by Peter and his wife, and the grass is really impressive to behold. There are facilities at the site, which is a male and female block. In the male section there is a shower, a loo, 2 sinks. I understand the females is exactly the same, but it has 2 loos. There is also an on-site shop where you can purchase local produce such as eggs and milk. There's also an emergency chocolate stash in the fridge should you require it. They also sell artisan crafts, and there is a book and DVD sharing facility. Also housed within the shop there is a washing machine which is charged at £3.50 for a light wash and £4 for a heavy wash. The main feature at Greendale is the swimming pool, which Julia enjoyed immensely. It's charged at £1 a day and it is heated. everyone, that was Greendale Farm Caravan and Camping Park, which is part of the Tranquil Parks network. I think you'll agree from the pictures, it's a beautiful site, isn't it?
It's beautiful. It lives up to its name of Tranquil Parks.
It does. Now, when you first arrive, they give you a welcome pack and it has a lot of useful information in it. I would recommend that if you do come, read it, because we picked up a few places to go and visit from this, so it's a very handy guide. It also gives you sort of, not rules, but the way that the parks run, so it's very handy. All in all, I think it's a really good site. I'm really pleased with it. I wouldn't mind checking out a few more of the Tranquil Parks. Remember, they're adults only, and this one's a no smoking one. But I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and if you would like to visit one of their parks, I'll leave a link to the main Tranquil Parks website. But in the meantime, I'd just like to say thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.
Thanks. Bye now.